Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the PB CUBER, and today I'm going to teach you how to skip OLL when you have a parity, so with only one algorithm you'll get from here to here. So as you may have seen in my last video, if you do the parity algorithm from this case, after doing the parity algorithm you will just get an OLL skip. But if you do the parity algorithm from this case, or from this case, or from this case, after doing the parity algorithm, you will still need to do an OLL algorithm. So to solve this problem, there are 12 cases when you can do some setup moves before you do the parity algorithm and some setup moves after. And then after doing the parity algorithm, you will not need to do OLL. So today I'm going to show you all 12 algorithms and finger tricks. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope that this video was clear and helpful, so now you can skip OLL if you have a parity. If something wasn't clear, please write me down in the comments so I can know and improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, thanks for watching, and I see you guys next video.